So, what's his curse technique?
My leveling hands off left, right, good night. Into Corey in eye. How come I'm meeting up blind?
I'm over here.
Eh?
So what was it like fighting him?
You would have come like Rock Lee, the main character of Naruto. Somebody ever drop kick you in your soul yet?
Hell no.
You know, feel good. When he told me that me head a couple days ago, me ears they not stop ring funny.
What do you mean? Could you describe the sound?
I saw his sound. You can tell us something?
Yeah, sure.
You can fling one punch with sound like two.
Bro, what you mean?
Never been seen this yet. 8 simultaneous black flashes. Ref, do something now, man. He put me dog Corey in a grimiest combo me ever see.
God dang.
The dog still in a coma. You know, say that no jutsu usually forward before you in our full body cast. Not with that the junk credit.